Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Minds Home. আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম 10 must know GK about COVID-19 যিবোৰ নেকি আপকামিং এক্সামছবোৰৰ বাবে very important. আমি আপোনালোকৰ টাইম ওয়েষ্ট নহবৰ বাবে কেৱল শুদ্ধ অপচনটোহে কৈ যাম. So let's begin. Question number 1 হৈছে Coronavirus was detected first in which year? Coronavirus first detect কৰা হৈছিল 1965ত. Next question to হৈছে Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? COVID-19 ৰ বাবে responsible virus to হৈছে SARS-CoV-2 bracketত ইয়াৰ full form to দি দিয়া হৈছে. Next question to হৈছে Which app has been launched by the Indian government to track COVID-19 patients? COVID-19 patient hokolok track koribor babe government launch kora app to hoise Arogya Setu. Next question to hoise India has exported which medicine to USA? India USA lo export kora medicine to hoise hydroxychloroquine. Next question to hoise Which state government has started 5T plan to fight against corona? So your answer hoise Delhi. Aru 5T meaning hoise testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork, tracking. Next question to hoise What is the name of the COVID-19 test? COVID-19 testor নাম to hoise RRT-PCR bracketot ইয়াৰ full form to দি দিয়া হৈছে. Next question to hoise ICMR is to collaborate with which Indian company for developing COVID-19 vaccine? COVID-19 vaccine develop koribor babe ICMR collaborate kora Indian company to hoise Bharat Biotech International Limited. Next question to hoise From where coronavirus got its name? Coronavirus yar naam to paisil due to their crown-like projections. Next question to hoise The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Coronavirus or first case identify kora hoisil Wuhan, Hubei. Next question to hoise Treatment in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. So yat suppose as on patient coronavirus or pora recover korise. So teor body pora blood or plasma loi jihokol corona patient hoy teolukok treatment koribo pari aru he treatment tur naam hoise plasma therapy. So aziloi imanoi upcoming current affairs aru GK babe please stay tuned. Thank you.